Question. Actually, two questions. How do you know if you made it as a professional photographer? I think it's when you finally get one of these lens mugs. Good stuff. If you want one, there's a link in the description below. Grab yours. Second question. Do you want to play 52 card pickup? What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick. This is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So I know I said that last week I was going to do or pull a card for the 52-week non-consecutive week challenge, but kind of dropped the ball on that because I've been doing a winter series for Fort Saskatchewan. So let's pull a card. How about that? Alrighty. Let's give it a good shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I can't shuffle in the air. One more shuffle? I think so. Let's make it real interesting. How about that? First card on top of the deck is Seven of Clubs. Seven of Clubs falls under the ideas category. Seven of Clubs is an elevated photo. Shoot something high, shooting down, whether that be a drone aerial shot, or if you're up on a hill shooting down, or if you're on a ladder shooting down. Seven of Clubs is an elevated shot. So I would love to see your elevated shots. How can we follow along on each other's non-consecutive 52-week challenge? Use the hashtag in Instagram, hashtag NTLP52CHALLENGE. And then everybody will be able to just kind of be able to follow along. So I will be posting mine tomorrow. So be sure to hop on Instagram and take a look at that. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, I don't know where you've been or why you're not already. Links are in the description below. With that being said, hit that little subscribe button if you're new here. We have tons of fun on this channel. Everything landscape photography. After you hit that subscribe button, maybe hit that like, share, and maybe even turn on that bell notification. Something to invest in, and it's only your time. All right, guys, and like I said earlier, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Use the hashtag NTLP52Challenge on Instagram, and let's see those fire shots this week. Elevation. Let's go. See you guys in the next one. Peace.